So this is the unboxing of my new Mac Mini. It's an M4 processor from Apple. So this one has 24 GB memory and internal storage of 512 GB. Okay, let's start unboxing it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Looks good. Mac. Yeah, I'm surprised this one is a bit heavy. Just weird. Based on its design, the power is under the unit. Okay, just two Thunderbolt USB-C. HDMI. Ethernet. It's a 1 gig Ethernet connection. Okay, so this is the power adapter of the unit. What else? Maybe some user guide. Typical Apple. I think that's it. Thank you for watching and please follow our channel.